Actually, hindi ko gusto yung nakikita ko na sagutan po ni Manny Pacquiao at saka ni Floyd Mayweather because instead of talking about the fight, the rematch, they have gone personal. Let me talk about that. What's the recent update? At ano ba itong sinabi ni Floyd Mayweather na medyo personalan na naman? At pag-usapan din po natin kasi may mga nagpo-post sa social media, may naghahamon na naman sa akin sa boxing. So, I will respond to that properly and objectively. Abangan nyo po sa dulo. Pero let's talk about this first. I-play ko ito ha para makita nyo. Ito po courtesy of Fino or Fino Boxing.
Pacquiao at his age, which is sad that he has to fight. You know, I'm financially set, and I want to let everybody know this. You're gonna hear so many different stories. Oh, Floyd have to do this. No, I'm well off. Every property that I have is paid for. My jet is paid for. All my cars.
Okay. So, ang sinabi nyo dito, parang binabanatan niyo si Manny Pacquiao na si Pacquiao daw kailangan pa lumaban para magkapera. Samantalang siya, marami siyang property, bayad lahat. He's set.
Cars is paid for. I own
Bayad
billion dollar buildings.
$1 billion building.
I own so much property, and I'm steady investing in different things.
Yan na. Sige, tuloy natin.
Invested in the tech world. I made a lot of smart investments. So I didn't do it by myself. I want to thank my team. Sorry. When I come and do an exhibition or come out and box and have some fun, I do it because I want to do it, not because I have to do it. Whereas Pacquiao, at his age, which is sad that he has to fight.
Okay. So, hindi ko gusto itong patutsadahan nila na personal. So, si Pacquiao, sinasabihan na duwag itong si Floyd Mayweather. Si Floyd Mayweather, sinasabihan na si Pacquiao, kailangan pa lumaban. Hindi katulad niya, when he comes out and fight, ano daw, siya na mismo nagsabi, no? Dahil gusto lang niya. Which, ito yung problem kasi na nakikita. I do not know if this is already a part of the tinatawag nating marketing or pre-fight stories of their rematch, which is supposedly going to happen, or not supposedly, that's the wrong term. That is going to happen on September 19, as was announced. But, I was hoping na at least magsalita muna si Floyd Mayweather na tuloy na. I mean, there's still no walang clear na sa side niya, no, sa side ng Netflix, sa side ni Manny Pacquiao, it's clear that they sign, it's clear that they want to push through. But Floyd Mayweather, it's still very vague. He might have meron man siya mga statement na ganito na may pera siya, meron siyang buildings at lumalaban siya for fun because he wants to do it. But and that's clear, but what's not clear is kung may laban ba siya kay Manny Pacquiao as a pro fight. And that's the big problem that I see here. And contradict din naman kasi ang dami kasi nagpapalabas ng balita gaya nito sa Instagram. May nag-send sa akin, Floyd Mayweather owes money. So, there's a lot of news and we do not know exactly what's the truth about this. But here's the thing, and here's the biggest problem. I think if I am in either camps of Floyd and Manny in Netflix, I would really want to make sure first that at least Floyd Mayweather clear out what's really gonna happen. Kasi unfair naman sa mga fans if umaasa sila, na-cancel na nga ng laban or postpone ng laban ni Manny Pacquiao kay Provodnikov allegedly. May mga naglalabas din ng balita. There's a lot of things that's, parang nagiging drawing sa hangin eh. So, I know Manny Pacquiao wants to do this. I know that there's a backer. I know that there's a contract. But for Floyd Mayweather to not respond to that, that's the biggest issue. I think kung ako, I would deal with this, kumbaga, hindi muna ako magpapatutsa, patutsada or hindi ko babanatan personally si Floyd. So I will deal with this nicely, professionally, baka makuha sa magandang usapan si Floyd. But I'm sure they're doing that. So until that time na nag-confirm na si Floyd. Pero even so, even kahit mag-confirm na yan si Floyd, pwede pa rin naman umurong eh. So there's a lot of things that could happen from now to September, and I just hope na mangyari yung laban. Speaking of mangyari yung laban, mabilis ko lang 'to pag-uusapan. So may mga nagpapakalat na naman sa social media, hinahamon na naman daw ako ni Kuya Lods. Sa akin naman, open naman ako na on just offer, yung kumbaga tama na offer, hindi yung hindi makatotohanan. May mag-offer 12 rounds, hindi ko na makakayanin 12 rounds. Wala po akong ilusyon na ako'y magaling na boksingero at hindi po ako boksingero at may edad na rin po ako. So obviously dihadong-dihado ako, but gusto ko lang pakita na kaya kong pumalag at wala naman ako, again, yung may ibang naghahamon po sa akin, wag niyo na po ako muna, hindi naman ako talaga lalaban eh. Kay Kuya Lods lang, kung sakaling matuloy. Kasi ang gusto ko sana, maging maayos na kami pagkatapos na suntukan. Kung mabugbog niya ako, fine. Kung matalo ko siya, fine. Kung mangyari, alam ko namang malabo yan, pero lalaban tayo. At gusto ko sasama dyan, may mga conditions sila per round na naririnig ako. Is pagkatapos niyan, bati-bati na. Wala nang issue. Okay? Wala nang tawagan ng mga below the belt. But siyempre, kailangan gawin pa rin niya yung trabaho niya. Gawin ko pa rin yung trabaho ko. Kung may tama, kung may mali. Kasi ganyan tayo dito eh. Kailangan professional tayo. Okay? So, send the contract if they're serious and send, they know what I want. So, yun lang masasabi ko. Salamat po. Thank you.